Hello everyone, this is Tristan and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the COUNTIF and the COUNTIFs formulas. We have our sales table here on the left for our 10 employees, and on the right, we have some sales targets for each quarter and for the year. We'll start with identifying the number of employees who met our Q4 goal. So we'll start equal COUNTIF, open parenthesis. First, we need to select our range. So our range is our Q4 data. Within our Q4 data, we're looking for values that meet the criteria. So we'll start with a quotation, greater than or equal to our $85,000 sales target. Close quotation, close parentheses, and hit enter. So we have 5 employees who met our sales target of $85,000 in Q4. We'll do the same for our yearly goal. Select our yearly data, or yearly totals. And the criteria on this one is going to be greater than or equal to 175,000, which was our sales target for the year. Close quotation, close parenthesis, hit enter. So we had 9 out of 10 employees who met the yearly goal of $175,000 in sales. Next, we'll make it a little more complex. We'll use the COUNTIF formula to identify employees that met both the Q4 goal and the yearly goal. So we'll open parentheses, we'll select our criteria range, which first is going to be our Q4 data. We'll add in our criteria for Q4, which is greater than or equal to $85,000. Then we'll select our criteria 2 range, which will be our total sales for the year, comma. Our criteria for the total sales range will be greater than or equal to the $175,000 target. Close quotations, close parenthesis. So we had 5 employees that met the Q4 and the yearly sales targets. And then next, we'll look for sales within 30,000 and 50,000 in Q1. So we'll use the COUNTIFs formula again. Open parentheses, select Q1 data. Our criteria will be greater than or equal to $30,000. Close parenthesis, comma. Then criteria 2 range is going to be Q1 data again. And then our criteria 2 is going to be less than or equal to $50,000. Close quotation, close parentheses, hit enter. And the cell returned a value of 6. So we had 6 employees in Q1 that had sales between 30,000 and 50,000. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more tips and tricks. If you want to watch another video with Excel tips and tricks, click any of the videos on the screen, and I will see you next time.